Good morning, class. Welcome to your Lesson 1 overview for your fourth and final unit, the abstract sculpture. So we have a handful of learning goals here. We're going to go over all your tasks for this lesson so you know how to complete everything accurately, so you can achieve the highest level understanding and make the most efficient sculpture possible. All right, so get into those lengthy learning goals. We have 4 here. So the first thing we want to do is identify and examine the characteristics and types of sculpture. We want to look at different sculptures to allow us to understand how we're going to move forward in this unit. And then we're going to develop an understanding of how abstract art is inspired by the world around you, whether it's your culture, the environment, different life experiences that you've lived, or something else. And then once we've really developed that understanding and we've identified different sculptures, we're going to plan an abstract work of art that is inspired by those things that we just discussed above. And then you'll plan the abstract work of art that is structurally and visually balanced. It's very important when creating any kind of sculpture that it stands upright, it's structurally balanced, it's not going to fall over. And then for the visual balance, you want to make sure the design is included in the round in the entirety of the sculpture itself. So if your central question, you're going to be thinking about how would you describe abstract art. That is not the central question for the end of the unit. It's just your first essential question during this investigative phase. And then lastly, your first 2 vocab words will be abstract and sculpture. All right, so go into your task list. The first thing you'll do is always watch your vocab video. This will give you all the answers for your entrance ticket. Please make sure you answer all 3 questions for your 3 points. These are an easy 3 points. Remember not to Google or abbreviate the definitions. Please use the definitions from the video. And then before you do the instructional video, you're going to be watching a video called More Real Than Nature. This is only an almost 5-minute video. It's very important because it really shows you 5 different abstract artists and how they created their abstract sculptures and how they were inspired. So since we are all planning our abstract sculptures and trying to design them around our own experiences and influences, this is a really good video to watch, so watch that. Once you've watched that, you should have a full understanding of the lesson. Then you'll watch the Lesson 1 instructional video. This will guide your progress. As always, this is very important. And lastly, once you've watched that video, the art production will be for you to submit a photo of your abstract sculpture sketch. So you'll be sketching the plan of your design and also what your sculpture will represent and why you chose that inspiration for this sculpture. All right, so submit that to the Lesson 1 progress photos so I can give you feedback. And for your materials for this phase of the lesson, you should only need the paper and pencil. You won't need the other 3 materials until Lesson 2. So right now we're just kind of planning and mapping out the design of this project. All right, and as far as the actual navigation, you have the vocab video here, number 2, number 3, the entrance ticket, number 4, the More Than Nature video. Please watch this. The Lesson 1 instructional video, which will tell you what you need to do in more detail. And then finally, number 6, we will submit your work so I can give you feedback. All right, guys, that's it. Please message me if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing your brainstorming sketches and your inspirational descriptions for your sculpture. All right, I'll see you guys all in class in the vocabulary video below, and I will talk to you all soon. All right, bye.